The booklet format is a great way to get a story to stand out from the crowd. Digital print providers need to produce high-quality documents in ever shorter run lengths in a profitable way. This is a challenge, and robust and cost-effective inline finishing solutions from Plockmatic can help. The Plockmatic SD-500 and SD-350 make it simple for Konica Minolta customers to produce booklets with quality to match the rich images produced by Konica Minolta printing systems. Now, today's creative professionals are using a wider range of paper types, textures, and weights to make the printed page work harder. The Plockmatic SD-500 and SD-350 were designed from the ground up to work with today's demanding paper stocks, whether they're textured, coated, or uncoated. In fact, our robust designs make it possible to produce booklets incorporating a wide range of media weights, from 64 GSM or 16-pound bond, all the way up to 300 GSM or 170-pound index. And Konica Minolta customers can create great-looking booklets up to 50 sheets thick, which translates into a 200-page booklet. Plockmatic's unique adaptive folding technology automatically sets fold pressure to guarantee the best booklet quality, regardless of stock type and booklet thickness. The Plockmatic SD-500 and SD-350 deliver booklet quality and precision that meets the requirements of either the CRD in-plant or commercial print environments. With the optional RCT module, automated production of full bleed, trimmed, and creased booklets is possible. This translates directly into faster turnaround times and lower job cost by eliminating multiple offline steps. And the crease function of the RCT module will enhance booklet appearance by eliminating cracking of toner on the spine. It also provides a flatter fold on thicker stock. The optional book fold module converts a conventional saddle stitch booklet into a beautiful, flat, square spine booklet with a look similar to that of a perfect bound book. In addition, the easy-to-use hand feeding feature allows CRDs to provide additional booklet making services from output printed on other devices in the shop or across the enterprise. Flexibility and great features are useless if they're not easy to select and adjust. The user interface is designed so that operators of all skill levels can easily create perfect booklets every time. Booklet production is in greater demand than ever before, and the Plockmatic SD-500 and Plockmatic SD-350 are high-quality, cost-effective systems that bring high-end features to the mid-production segment. For more information, contact your local Konica Minolta salesperson or visit us at Plockmatic.com.